Pereskia Bleo. This we called Leaf Cactus or Cactus Rose. Locally we called wax rose or candle rose. This leafy cactus plant grows flower as most of the cactus type of plants does grow flowers. But this Pereskia Bleo has fruit as well. Before we go to the next point, please smash the subscribe button for this channel. First one, this has eatable fruit. Yeah, this fruit of cactus is eatable. It tastes like lemon but not that much, and its skin as well can eat, but it not might has any flavor. Propagation is so much easy for this plant. This can propagate in water or even in soil from the cuttings. That is so easy. The soil you just need to concentrate is 50% regular soil with 25% of sand and 25% compost soil mixture is best soil ever for this plant. If we talk about the benefit, it really has some interesting fact that you should listen. It says cancer plant, by which mean it is effective against 5 types of cancer. That names I have mentioned in the description of this video that you should check this out. Traditionally this used as a dietary vegetable as well to prevent cancer or for the treatment. This can eat raw as we eat salad. 3 to 5 leaves per day is really good. Anything you would like to mention, please comment below.